It's time to talk about soft water. So, what is soft water, you ask? Well, first let's talk about the difference between soft water and hard water. This can help you assess your current water quality and help make the best decision about potential water purification systems for your home. Hard water contains minerals like calcium and magnesium, which build up in pipes and appliances. They reduce soap effectiveness and leave your skin feeling dry. While it's typically not harmful to your health, it can cause some serious frustration. Soft water, on the other hand, is water that's been treated to remove these minerals. This means better soap lather, longer-lasting appliances, and softer skin and hair. Water softeners use a process called ion exchange to swap out hard minerals for sodium or potassium, helping to keep your home and body more free from buildup and dryness. Who knew your water type could have such a big impact? So when you're ready to experience the difference for yourself, our water experts at Leaf Home will be ready to introduce you to our customized water softening systems to fit your needs. Our customized water filtration systems at Leaf Home provide healthier, safer, and more efficient options for homeowners. And a big issue in houses across the U.S. right now is how our water affects our homes. That includes soft water. Visit leafhome.com/water solutions for healthier, safer, and softer water.